we do personal injury, so that's really what we do at Perry & Young, is representing people who have been injured, whether they're auto accidents, slip and fall accidents, medical malpractice cases as well. Now, unlike the workers' comp situation where you have to notify your employer within 30 days, there's not a similar requirement in the personal injury scheme, although it's still very important to get legal representation early. Now, why is that?
Quicker. So number one, I think the most important thing is to make sure evidence is preserved. If you are injured at a store, we've actually tried a case, I think I've talked about this before, but the most important evidence is video evidence, whether it's at one of the big retail stores that everybody shops at, and making sure that is preserved, because sometimes that is the only way we can actually prove a store is responsible. Or if we're in a serious car wreck case, we need to go do downloads of the vehicle. We need to go look at stores, see if there's evidence of how the wreck happened, and we need to get all the computer data, which nowadays with smart vehicles or semi-trucks, I know you do a lot of trucking cases, there is an abundance of information that is out there, but if you don't contact an attorney, it's possible that stuff disappears and potentially affects your case. And I know you've had a couple of cases where it turned on video evidence that
Absolutely.
you guys have. And if you didn't have that video evidence or the downloads from the trucks, then we might not have a claim at all for our client. So I think that is the most important thing. And there's a lot of pitfalls and things that people don't know about. I don't have to get into everything, but we steer people in the right direction and answer all of their questions, negotiate the claims on their behalf, and make sure we get the key evidence, key witnesses, and stuff like that locked down right away.
Right.
Because as time goes by, evidence disappears, memories fade, and people disappear and move, and it's hard to find.
Well, and not only that, but if you call an insurance company, or if we call an insurance company well after the events happen, the first question is going to be, well, they can't be that hurt.
Yeah,
because they hadn't heard
nobody
anything.
notified us.
Right. So, I mean, it's just the optics on that can really kind of carry over into how a claim is adjusted. So, again, it's very important to contact an attorney very quickly once you believe you might have a claim.